Hello. Today we're going to talk about streamlining your decluttering. It seems so difficult and so hard and so complex to declutter something, but there's a way to streamline it, and that's the way that I teach you to do it. It's to get a bag, a box, and a basket. That means you actually physically have to get a bag, a box, and a basket. You can't say bag, box, basket. Okay, let me go decluttered. Saying the words doesn't take the item to the room with you. You need to have the items in the room with you. Number two, it needs to be on your plan. So when you walk into the room with a bag, a box, and a basket, you can't say, oh boy. You've got to say, I'm going to declutter the box to the right of the doorway. That's the one I'm working on today, or the shelf, or whatever it is. There has to be a specific thing. Set your timer for 15 minutes. Work diligently, quickly. Let's get it done. Let's make good decisions. No putting off your decision. You have to make the decision now, and then put it in the bag, the box, or the basket, depending on whether it's trash, give away, or put away. When the 15-minute bell goes off, you stop. If you haven't finished, that's okay. You can pick up next time on that, and then complete the process, throwing away, putting away, and giving away. So you don't say, I'm going to complete the process and throw away, put away, give away. No, you have to physically take the clothes or the bag of trash or whatever it is to wherever you're taking it. So it's a box of clothes for the giveaway. It goes in the back of the car. I mean, in the back of the car. If you only have one car and your husband has it, then in the garage or on the carport or wherever. So when he pulls in the driveway, you can put it in the back of the car. The garbage bag goes out in the big garbage can with the lid on it. And the put away means you have to go put those things away. That's how you streamline decluttering.